Hello guys, my name is Pravyardhan and welcome to the channel. So in this video I can show you one website where you guys can create a very high quality do follow with contextual backlink. So the website name is skytelescope.org, and the main thing, this is a org website, so where you guys are creating backlink for your website or your businesses. So this is a website dashboard, and I can also provide this website URL over the description section, so where you guys can access easily. Before this started, we can do something, we can research about this website. So according to Acharya, this website having domain rating 78, and according to Moj, the domain authority is 78 and the spam score is only 1%. And another things are right now my similar account are not working, so we can explore later these things. So this is a website dashboard and before they started, I wanted to request you with a simple thing, a small thing. If you guys can want to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button. Okay, so this is a website dashboard, and there is a login button. You guys have to click over there, and after that you guys can see there is a register button. You guys have to click over there, and there you guys can add your username, and after that you guys can choose your password. Then you guys can verify you are not a robot, and click for the register button. So our profile creation is completed. You can check your email ID where they can send it a verification email. Yeah, we received, and you guys have to click for there now, and you guys can set your passwords. So there you guys can choose your password and password, okay, and you guys can click for the reset password. Okay, so once you reset your password, then you guys can submit and click for the login button. And once you guys can create your profile, those things, then you guys can land it on this interface. So there you guys can update your business name and the last name. Okay, got it. And after that you guys can add your website URL over there. And there you guys can add your website description, and I can show you how you guys can get backlink from this website. So simply I'm just copying the content throughout my website, but the yoke is you can generate a fresh description, and after that you guys have to, there you guys can add a one syntax, HTML hyperlink syntax. There you guys can get a contextual backlink. So href, there you guys can add your website URL, sorry, then you can close it. There you guys can choose your targeted keywords, so traffic, company in Canada. Then after that you can going to close this tag, and once you guys can complete this thing, then you guys can click for the update profile button. And after that, how you guys will get your profile landing page URL. So there is, I can provide you the one thing. So simply you can copy this website URL, and after that you guys can write author and slash your username. So simply you can copy this syntax, so website URL, then after that you guys can write a directory for the author, then you guys can slash, then you guys can edit your username. Then you guys are able to found your profile landing page URL, and you can see this is our contextual backlink, and I can show you this is a no follow do follow backlink. So you can see it's a 100% do follow backlink with contextual. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral, so it's a high quality do follow backlink. So now we have created our backlink on that website. So the website name is skytelescope.org, and okay, so if you guys are watching till, and so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts on a comment section. And if you guys can want to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestions, so I can provide my social details over the description section, so where you guys can find me easily. And for the last, I wanted to request you with one thing. If you guys are new on this channel, or if you guys haven't subscribed this channel, so it's a humble request, you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand and you guys can do something from your side if you want. Okay, so bye bye and take care.